Hi and welcome to this course. I'm Awas Morel and I will be your instructor in this course. Now we are going to learn TypeScript, which is very exciting. And TypeScript is basically a superset of JavaScript, which you can say actually takes JavaScript to the next level. So we'll start from the very beginning, and the very basic knowledge of JavaScript will suffice, I think, and that would be good for you as well. And we'll dive deep into the TypeScript, how it is implemented, what are the new features, and very exciting stuff, right? And we have basically both the theory and the practical implementation. So we have real projects that we'll work on, and we also have separate modules where you will work with React and TypeScript, and you'll work with Node and Express with TypeScript. And we have different modules. You will actually work with different modules for TypeScript, from very basics to the very advanced level, right? And I'm very excited to start the journey with you. Let's get started.